Have you ever felt like you're completely on top of things? That no matter what comes your way, you've got it all figured out? That's exactly what the idiom "you've got it covered" means. Let me tell you a funny story about a time when someone misunderstood this idiom. My friend Sarah was helping her roommate move apartments. When her roommate said, "Don't worry, I've got it covered," Sarah thought she meant she had literally covered the entire apartment in plastic. The idiom "you've got it covered" means that you have a situation under control. It's a way of saying that you're prepared and can handle whatever comes your way. Let's see how this idiom is used correctly. My boss asked me to organize the company picnic this year. I said, "Don't worry, I've got it covered." That means I've taken care of all the planning and details, so my boss can relax. Here are some examples of how you can use "you've got it covered" in different contexts. Casual conversation: "I'll pick up the groceries on my way home, you've got it covered at work." Formal setting: "The presentation is all set, so you can count on me. I've got it covered." Negative context: "I'm feeling overwhelmed. I thought I had it covered, but I'm falling behind." Humorous context: "My dog chewed up my homework, but don't worry, I've got it covered. I'll just tell the teacher my printer exploded." Literary context: "As the storm clouds gathered, she felt a sense of calm. She had it covered." Business setting: "The marketing team has the social media campaign under control. They've got it covered." Social media usage: "Heading out on vacation, my pet sitter has it all covered while I'm gone." Hashtag "you've got it covered." To help you remember the meaning of "you've got it covered," think of a superhero with a cape or shield. They've got everything under control and are ready to protect against any challenges that come their way. Did you know the idiom "you've got it covered" has its origins in the military? It was originally used to describe soldiers who would provide cover fire for their comrades during battle. Over time, the phrase evolved to mean being prepared and able to handle any situation. Some similar idioms to "you've got it covered" include "no problem," meaning the same thing, that you can handle the situation. "I'm on it," indicating you're already working on the task. "Consider it done," assuring someone the job will be completed. On the other hand, an opposite idiom would be "I'm in over my head," meaning you're overwhelmed and can't manage the situation. "I dropped the ball," admitting you failed to follow through on something. "I'm swamped," indicating you have too much on your plate to take on more. Let's try using "you've got it covered" in a sentence. "Don't worry about the party planning, I've got it covered." Now, let's rephrase that without using the idiom. "Don't worry about the party planning, I've taken care of all the details and preparations." I once had a student who used the idiom "you've got it covered" perfectly in a conversation with her boss. She had been assigned a big project at work, and her boss was concerned about the tight deadline. But my student said, "Don't stress, I've got it covered." Her boss was impressed by her confidence and ability to handle the task. One common mistake people make is using "you've got it covered" in the wrong tense, like saying "you got it covered." The correct usage is "you've got it covered." Using the present perfect tense to indicate the situation is currently under control. Another mistake is thinking "you've got it covered" means you've already completed the task, when it actually means you're prepared to handle it. Quiz time. Let's see how well you understand the idiom "you've got it covered." 1. What does "you've got it covered" mean? A. You've already finished the task. B. You're overwhelmed and can't handle it. C. You have the situation under control. 2. Which of these is a synonym for "you've got it covered"? A. I'm on it. B. I dropped the ball. C. I'm swamped. 3. Which of these is an antonym for you've got it covered? A. No problem. B. I'm in over my head. C. Consider it done. In summary, you've got it covered is a versatile idiom that shows you're prepared and in control of a situation. Understanding this idiom can help you communicate more effectively in both casual and professional settings. Now that you know how to use it, go out and start covering all your tasks and responsibilities. I hope you found this lesson on the idiom "you've got it covered" helpful. Let me know in the comments if you have any other questions or want to share how you've used this idiom. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more English idiom lessons. Happy learning!